Be syllabicating the word angrily. Before you start syllabicating the word, you're going to identify the vowels that are inside of the word. So that for angrily, that will be the A. You'll put a V over top of the I and the Y, because the Y is functioning as a E in this word and not as a Y making the Y sound. It's making the sound. After we're doing that, you're gonna go in and label all the consonants in the word that are in between the vowels. So that will be the the N, the G, and the L. So then we're gonna you're gonna list the three different ways we were taught the VC, the vowel consonant levels. So the first one is VC and CV. And this one can act as vowel, that one stands for vowel consonant or consonant vowel. The next one would be VV, which is vowel vowel. The one after that is going to be V/CV, which stands for vowel/consonant vowel. And then the next one is going to be VC/V. That one is interchangeable. So we're going to go in and just do the same lines that you made through these to represent the different ones. You're going to do the same thing through the actual word itself. So we'll have one here, the VC, the first VC, we'll put a line there. The CV, that pattern represents this one. So we'll just put a line through right here. And lastly, you'll have the CV at the end for the LY. So that's going to be consonant vowel. And that's going to split the word angrily into 3 parts. So that way we know, this is a good way to teach students. So now we know that angrily is a 3-syllable word. And this is how you would break it up. Another way you can teach students that would be somewhat helpful for this word is to have them clap out the letters on their hands, or the sounds on their hands. So you would say the word angrily, and then you would have them clap it out for each time they have to take a pause or a break for a new word or a new part of the word. So angrily. That way the students now know that angrily has 3 syllables in it. So today we're also going to be syllabicating a 2-syllable word. So this 2-syllable word that we're going to be syllabicating today is going to be the word water. So the first thing to do when syllabicating a word is to go ahead and label your vowels in the word. So with the vowels in the word water is going to be the A and the E. So you're just going to go in and put a V over top of the A and the E. After that, you're going to label your consonants that are in the word. So you're going to start with the W. You'll put a C over your W, a C over your T, and then a C over your R. So then your word should look something like this. There are 4 different types of levels for the CVC. For the vowel consonant rules, I guess. So the first one would be VC/CV. The second one is B/B. The third one would be V/CV. And the third one is also interchangeable. That's why I kind of say you could say a third one or fourth one, because it can be switched. It could also be VC/V. So after you do that, you're just going to go in and use the same slashes that you used to identify the levels to break the word up. So going in between the first 2, it's the first C and this first V. You're going to put a line through there. And that's just going to break the word up into 2 parts. So you'll have CVC, CVC. And it breaks the word into 2. And with this, you're able to teach your students that the word water is to be said in 2 parts. So it should be said water. Another word that we're going to do for the 3 syllables is going to be the word angrily. Angrily, the same thing. You're going to start by identifying the vowels in the word. So you're going to start with the A, the I, and the Y in the word angrily, because as well as the Y is going to be acting as a E instead of a Y, giving a eh sound instead of a y sound. So the same levels, we have the VC, CV, VB, VCV, and then VCV again. You're going to break up your word by starting with the A to do your vowels. So A, V, and V.